how to split screen on Fortnite. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do split screen on Fortnite. All right, now you do see me right now. I am on the Xbox One console, but this should work for PlayStation 4 players as well. It's the same instructions. So this video, even though it's on the Xbox One, it should be able to help you PlayStation users out as well. But before I get into this video, I want to ask you guys for one huge favor. Could you be sure if this video helped you out at all? I mean, if it helped you out even a little bit, go ahead and push that like button for me, guys. All it takes is a push of your finger, and it will help my channel grow a whole lot. So I highly appreciate it if you guys can hit that thumbs up button for me. Now, other than that, I just want you to watch this entire video all the way to the end. It may be a little long, but it's not that long. The reason I made it a little long is because I want to break this down to you guys exactly how to do it step by step so that you guys will not feel lost at all, because I've seen other videos here on YouTube who had broke it down, but they left out some parts. It was just, it made it hard for everybody. So be sure to stick around, watch this entire video, and you should be good to go. All right, so if you want to play split screen on Fortnite, this is the video you want to watch. Now, first off, what do you need? Well, step number one, the first thing you're going to need, guys, is two controllers. All right, as you can see, I have a white controller here, and I also have a blue controller here. They look black, but it's like navy blue, but it's two controllers, right? And you're going to need two profiles. All right, so you know, you're going to need your Xbox profile, and whoever's trying to play you, you're going to need their Xbox profile. Okay, so make sure you got that, two controllers, right? The first thing you're going to do, let's let this white controller represent controller number one. All right, this is first player's controller. Let's let this blue one represent player number two, second player's controller. All right, so on controller number one, I'm breaking this stuff down for you guys to get it. Controller number one, guys, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you log into your Xbox One account on controller number one. All right, so I'm gonna hit that middle button in the middle of my controller. I'm gonna go over to where it says choose a profile, which is right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. Choose a profile. That's exactly what you're gonna do. So let's go ahead, choose a profile. Boom, we hit A. Next thing you know, let's go down. I'm gonna use this profile here. Again, this is controller number one. Controller number one, first player, I want you to do this, what I'm doing right now. So as you can see, I'm logged into my account. So that's the first step. You want to log into your Fortnite account. Now that I'm logged in, I'm going to go ahead and hit A so that the game can start. All right. Again, guys, make sure you watch this entire video because I got a surprise that I want to let you guys know about in the end of this video, and you don't want to miss it. It's a way that you can get you a free Xbox Live Gold Code. All right, so you don't want to miss that. Be sure to watch this entire video. I'm going to save that for the end. All right, I'm going to tell you guys how you can get a free Xbox Live Gold Code or a free PSN code if you guys play PlayStation. So stick around. All right, so as you can see, guys, we're on the game. We got the first controller. We're going to go ahead and just go to Battle Royale. Boom. Hit A. Let it load. Let it load. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Load, load, load. All right, now we're on the screen here. So this is very easy, guys. So player one, you're already in. And as you can see, it says squads right there. That's what you want. You can only play split screen on squads or duos. So keep that in mind. So player one, you are now done. You don't have to do anything but set that controller down. All right, what I want you guys to do now is pick up controller number two. All right, this is controller number two. Remember, the blue controller is controller number two. What I want you to do, if you got controller number two, is you're going to go ahead and hit this middle button in the middle of your controller. All right. Once you hit that, your controller should be paired to your Xbox. All right. If this second controller is not paired to your Xbox, the way you pair it is by hitting this button on the top right here. And then you go to your Xbox and hit the button. Let me show y'all, because I want this video to be in detail. I want y'all to know everything. I don't want y'all to be lost on nothing. So it's a button under here. You're going to hit that button. and then you're going to hit this top button on your controller. That's how you pair it to your Xbox. Now, once it's paired, Once you have that controller paired to your Xbox, you come back over here. I'll show you guys this. Again, I'm making this video long because I want to break everything down in detail. Now, second controller. What you're going to do is you're going to hit this button in the middle. Hold on. Let me scoop this back. You're going to hit this button in the middle of your controller. So let's do that right now. Boom. All right, as you can see, after you hit that button, what I want you to do is scroll all the way over to the left. All right, so you go all the way to the left, and you're going to go to switch profile, which is right here. It says switch profile. Boom. You switch your profile. When you go to switch profile, you want to sign into the other person's account. All right, so if this is your cousin, let's say your cousin over there, and he have an Xbox One account, sign into his account. So I'm gonna go here. Boom. I'm click on that. Let's say that this is my cousin's account, or this is my friend's account. Boom, I'm signed in, right? Now that I'm signed in, guess what? You will notice it's over here on the side here. It says P2, which means player 2. It says log in, hold A. All right, to log in, you must hold A. I don't know if y'all can see that. I want to make sure that y'all see that. Again, I'm trying to make this video as detailed as possible. Player 2, log in, hold A. So that's what I'm about to do right now. All right, so I just hold A, which is right here. Hold A, and boom. So now it says logging in. Let's see how long it takes to log in. Boom. Okay, it's asking you these questions. You're going to go ahead and hit accept. And boom, takes you to the next screen. Again, guys, watch this entire video. I got a surprise for you guys at the end. You don't want to miss out on it. You're going to love it. All right. Boom. As you can see, player 2 is now in, affirmed. Or is that player 2 or is that somebody else, man? I hope that's not somebody else. Please tell me that that's player 2. Player 2, take control, hold A. Okay. Okay, player 2. Okay. Career V-Bucks. Okay, so I must be me. It must be me. Okay. So, okay, so that is player 2. Okay, good. Take control. Player 1, take control, hold A. All right, so it looks like not ready. This should be player 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit Y now. Should be able to play. Let me hold A. Hold on, this is player 2. Player 2 take control by holding A. Hold on, I'm just making sure I got everything right, y'all. I don't want to mess up nothing. All right. Challenge table. Okay, let's go back. Okay. Go back. Be patient. Oh, go back. Oh, hold A. All right, so now I'm gonna hit Y because it looks like we ready. Hopefully, we're ready. Hopefully they're gonna make the screen split and we'll be able to do this. All right, converting to matchmaking service. Queue, click, ready. So I hope I did this right, guys. Just keep watching. Hopefully the screen is split. If not, just keep watching. We're gonna make sure that we got this down packed. All right, again, I'm on the Xbox, but this also works on PlayStation 4 console. So if you have a PlayStation 4 console, this can work for you. Keep watching this video because I got something to share with y'all at the end. But let's just make sure that this is working. It's loading. I wish it would load a little faster. Let's load. Hopefully this is gonna work. Let's see. It's taking forever to load. I don't know why it's taking. While that's loading, guys, let me just tell y'all this. This is what I was going to share with y'all at the end, but I'll just share it right now. So if you guys are interested in getting free Xbox Live Gold codes, there it is, split screen. Let me show y'all. So, okay, there it is. Okay, split screen, as y'all can see. Both controllers on here. It's working pretty good, all right? First controller, second controller. This is second controller on the bottom. This is first controller on the top. I'm glad it worked because I didn't think it was going to work. Thank goodness. So I jump out the bus. We both jumped out the bus. All right, so you right behind this person. Oh, and it looks like I'm leading the line, which is interesting. But anyway, guys, that's split screen right there. That's how you do split screen. Now, keep watching this video. I'm about to share something with y'all, man. So I got these Xbox Live Gold codes right here, right? I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can. But it says 3 months Xbox Live Gold. It costed about $24 at the store. Now, the reason I'm showing you guys this is because I just want to let y'all know that I do giveaways here on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in getting one of these things, as you can see, it's a 3-month Xbox Live Gold trial. If you're interested in getting this for absolutely free, just show up to one of my giveaways that I do on this YouTube channel. Now, how I do my giveaways is I go live here on YouTube, guys, where I turn these cards around and I scratch off the codes right here. I scratch this code off, and whoever is watching the video when I go live, and if you put this code in before everyone else does, then guess what? You get that Xbox Live Gold code for absolutely free. I don't just do this with Xbox codes. I'll do it with PSN codes. I do it with V-Bucks. I do it with Roblox codes, all of that stuff. So you can redeem your code. The person that redeems it first is the person that actually gets the 3 months for absolutely free. And that's how that works, guys. So hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any videos when I go live. Because when I go live and I'm doing the giveaway, and I'm telling you guys right now, I'm gonna do a giveaway next month. You don't want to miss out. So go ahead and subscribe if you want to stay tuned for that. Also, guys, just so you know, the PlayStation 5 console is coming out pretty soon. It's supposed to be coming out this year. Now, due to coronavirus, they have pushed it back just a little bit, which kind of made me mad just a little bit because I want to hurry up and get my hands on the PlayStation 5 console. Once it comes out, guys, when you come back to this channel, you're going to want to subscribe. You know why? Because I will be doing gameplay videos on the brand new PlayStation 5, and you're not going to want to miss out on any of that content. Trust and believe me when I tell you this. The Xbox is going to come out with a new console. Guess what? I'm going to be doing gameplay with the new Xbox. So be sure to show up. All right. Now, again, hopefully this video was helpful. If it helped you out at all, go ahead and smash that like button, man, and come back to the channel when you feel like it. Anybody want to play me on Fortnite? My gamer tag is the same thing as my YouTube channel. You can meet me on there if you want to. But let's just see. Look how good it's working, guys. Both controllers. You see, both controllers are working just fine. All right. As y'all can see, let me show y'all. I showed y'all how to do it. Now, hold on. I'm trying to see if I ain't missing out on anything. I don't want to let y'all go and miss out on anything. Yeah, that's how to do it, guys. If you got anything you want to ask me or anything you want to put in the comments, go ahead and put it down there. I will see if I can reply to you as fast as I can. Again, YouTube channel is the same thing as my gamer tag. Go ahead. We can play some Fortnite. We can play some Call of Duty, whatever you like. Go ahead. And I will be doing this giveaway next month. If you guys want the free Xbox Live Gold code, subscription code, whatever, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.